Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and wonderful kids who are tuned in for this awesome program, which was given by Jay Shimagaru. This is like the fifth of the five sessions, which we are conducting for the Power of the Brain program. And so far, we learned basically a lot of things from Jay Shimagaru in each session. The power of the brain in the first session, and how to remember scientific terminology, substitution techniques, and memorizing countries and capitals, those things in the second session. And third session we followed like memorizing vocabulary and how to use like three-step techniques to memorize dictionary. And I would like to thank KCTCA also for giving us the support in conducting these type of programs and giving this to the community. And today in a session, like we'll be learning more about like states and capitals and the different techniques like which JC Magaru will be teaching us. And I would like to thank each and everyone who participated, and I would like to tell everyone to forward these programs to your family and friends so that they can take advantage of these kind of programs. And uh, before closing, like before inviting Jason Garu, I would like to invite Tanvi, so that she is one of the students who is learning these programs, who is learning through these programs to tell few words about the program, how it is helpful for her. Please welcome Tanvi.
Thank you. Namaste and good morning, everyone. My name is Tami Parsi, and I'm going to share a few words on how the last session helped me. The last memory vocabulary session helped me to read and write effectively without making small spelling errors and to pronounce the word in the correct way. I now remember difficult big words with ease as Jaisimagaru's method of making the word shorter and dividing it into common words that we use every day. I would also like to thank JC Magaru for his very keen interest in helping us build our memory power. And I'm also looking forward for more sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanvi. And now I would like to invite Charani Rangini to give her experience.
Hi, I'm Tirani, and I've enjoyed this workshop a lot. I have used the trick Jason Magari taught, and they work awesomely. Jason Magari was a great teacher. I hope the NATS community will have more of these awesome workshops. And I hope you all have an awesome rest of the class. Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. I understand like the Nats for this one fell down. It's okay, Charani. That's fine. Please welcome Jay Simagaru to continue on the program. Thank you, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Welcome for the day five. It's so exciting that very soon we have completed almost 4 weeks of session. It is said that when you stay with someone whom you love, the time will pass so fast. And we need to thank NATS administration, especially the chairman Sridhar Garu, President Vijay Shekhar Garu, and also Ravi Gumadpudi, the NATS marketing coordinator, and my dearest friend Venkat Mantri Garu, and KCTA head Sridevi ma'am, and all the parents and children. I know Sunday morning you have come and joined with me. Thank you so much. Okay. And as you keep going, a lot of questions will come in your brain. Memory is a big ocean. If I tell you that I know everything, I'm telling a lie. I'm still learning, and I'm going to share a few things. And as you keep going, you will have a lot of questions, and NATS will bring this program again to you, higher level, level 2, level 3. Then we do speed reading workshop as well. And you see this video. If you don't understand any concept, I'm also sharing my personal Indian WhatsApp number, my email ID. Any one of you can call me on my WhatsApp number. You can message me, you can mail me, you can come on Zoom. You want any help, I'll be more than happy to come to your rescue, right? Absolutely, I am there. Your friend, philosopher, guide, mentor. And if you say, sir, hold my hand, I'm going to hold it till you become successful. Now, coming to what we learned last time, we were learning something called what phonetic method. Remember phonetic method? Stitching phonetic method. What is phonetic method? Phonetic method is a memory language. Okay, this is called phonetic method. Remember last time we read phonetic method. And when I give you this word phonetic method, the word phonetic method is what? Phonetic is what? Sound. Okay, phonetic means sound. How I know sound? Phonetic means there is something called phone. When phone rings, what comes? Sound will come. Okay. Phonetic method means is a memory language based on sound. This is used for memorizing numbers. And we said we have 10 numbers, 10 digits. Each digit has got one sound, like one. The sound is for what? What is sound? Can you tell me? What is that? T-R-D. Ta, da. Ta, da is number 1. 2. What is sound here for 2? N. 3. What is sound 3? M. Right? 4. Can someone tell me what sound for 4? R. 5 is what? L. 6 has got 3 sounds. J, che, she. Right? 7 has got some sound called K, C, G. Ka, ya, ga. 8, the sound is F, R, V. Fa, R, va. 9 is P, R, B. 0 is Z, R, S. These are the 10 digits and their sounds. Okay. Now, how do I remember this? That's a question. See, the way you learned A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, you learn French language, you learn Sanskrit, you learn Telugu, you learn Hindi. You have to learn A, B, C. What I want you to do is take one chart paper, write 1 TD, 2 and 3M. Stick that chart paper in the washroom. 1, washroom door. 1, above the study table on the wall. 1 in the kitchen. 1 next to television room. 1 opposite a bed. When you come into the house, when you're going out, you keep looking at those numbers and sounds. You'll be able to get all of them. And play the game with your mom and dad. Ask them, tell me some number. They say 5. L, you must tell instantaneously. 9, PRB. 0, ZRS. 2, N. Then ask your mom, Ma, you tell me the sound. I will tell you the number. She will tell 4, R. She will say KCG, 7. So if you play this game in 1 or 2 days, the numbers and the sounds will become permanent in the brain. Now, why these numbers and sounds are given? Are you mad? You would have given 1A, 2B, 3C. These numbers and sounds are not given by me. Tony Buzan, the World Memory Council president based out of London. And when he was young, he understood that there was one mathematician with Alexander the Great. He tried to use these sounds for numbers as a mark of respect for that person. Tony Buzan, being the president of the World Memory Council, he said we should use the same thing. And who are you? You will ask me. I am the president of World Memory Council for India. So memory begins and ends with me in our country, India. Every country has got their own country, one thing. That's all. So now what are you going to do with these numbers and sounds? See, anytime you get any word, you can easily convert them into what? You can convert them into any number. See what we should do. Listen, if I give you one thing called what? Key. When I say key, first thing, thumb rule, remember. Don't worry, is it written Telugu or English or Hindi or Malayalam or it in Sanskrit. Don't look at the spelling. Say the word. If the sound is ta, da, tha, da, put 1. Na, 2. Ma, 3. Ra, 4. La, 5. Je, che, she. 6. Kha, ga, 7. Fa, wa, 8. Pa, ba, 9. Za, sa, 0. Other than these sounds, any other sound, that sound you leave it blank because it has got no number. So when I say give the one word key, what sound is there? K. K, what number will come? Number 7.
7.
Understood? For example, if I give you something called dosa, tell me da number is what? 1. Sa number is what? 0. Dosa will become 1, 0. Understood? For example, if I give you one word, ball, can you tell me the number? Ba number is what? 9. La number is what? 5. There's one more L. Let it be there. We don't say balal. We only say bal. So what you write doesn't matter. What you say, ba 9, la 5, 95. Understood? For example, if I give you one word, knife, can you give me this number for knife? Knife. Hello.
2,
Knife.
28.
28. Very good. Wonderful, baby. Okay. See here, K is written, but K is silent there. We don't say knife. You say only knife. 28. Understand? For example, if I give you one word cycle, look at this. Sa number is 0. Ka number is 7. La number is 5. See here C. Here C. But here I wrote 0. Here I wrote 7. Why? Because it's not based on what you write, but what you say. Sa will become 0. Understood? For example, if I give you one word, okay, if I give you something called bush, what will become bush? Ba number is what? 9. Sha number is what? 6. Bush will become 96. Are you getting this idea? For example, if I say match, give me number for match. Yesterday I saw football match. Ma number is what?
3.
3.
2.
Hey, my is 3.
36.
Ma number is what? 6. Here T is there, but T is silent there. We don't say matuchu, we say match. So 36 will become match. Are you understanding this? So that's how we do. We are converting any word into a number. Based on this, we can do this, right? For example, if I give you my name, okay, you need to convert that into a number. Let us check this, okay? Jay Simha number. Ja number is what? 6. Ya number is there? No. Sa number is what? 0. Ma number is what? 3. Ha number is there? Not there. Miss, such a big name. Number is only 603. For example, if I give you, okay, India, you need to convert this into a number. E number is there? No. Na number 2. Da number 1. Ya number is there? Not there. India will become what? 21. For example, if I give you one girl's name, Harika, can you convert this into a number? Ha number is there? No. Ra number is 4. Ka number is 7. Harika will become 47. For example, if I give you America, see, I need to convert this into a number. Tell me the number. In a number? No. Ma number is 3. Ka number is 4. Ka number is 7. America will become 347. Are you understanding this? Are you able to get this? Okay. For example, if I give you Venkat, okay. So Va number is what? 8. Na number is what? 2. Ka number is what? 1. No, Ka number is what? 7. Ta number is what? 1. Venkat will become 8271. Done? Now, I'm going to give you one small work for you. Can you convert your name into a number? Can you write your name? Can you convert your name into a number? Can you convert your name into a number? Umakant. U, not there. Ma, 3. Ka, 7. Na, 2. Tha. Okay. Tha will become 1. Umakant.
I know my number.
Oh, tell me your name.
Brohat.
Huh?
Brohat.
Brohat. What number you got? 9, 4.
941.
Absolutely right. Wonderful. Wonderful, man. Wonderful. Charani. Okay. 6, 4, 2. Vinya. Va. 8. Not 2. Ya is not there. That's all. Are you able to get this? Now you'll ask me, sir, by converting a word into a number, what are we going to do? Nothing. Sir, nothing we are going to do. Then you are wasting our time. Listen, when you tell me Vinya, I am able to imagine. Okay. Charani, I can imagine. You already have got a shape. You have a face. I can imagine, right? Why should I convert a picture into a number? So our aim is not to convert a name into a number. Our aim is to convert a number into a picture. For doing this, I have done the reverse action. That's all. Okay. So we don't convert a word into a number. Our aim is to convert a number into a word. For example, if I give you one number, okay, 3. If I give you number 3, right? If I give you number 3, now 3, any picture is there? No. What is the sound for number 3? M. So M is what? Ma. I'm making one picture, mommies. Next time when I say 3, you imagine your mommy's photograph. That becomes number 3. If I tell you, right, now 38. 3 is what? M, right? 8 is what? V. M and V will become what? Movie. You went for a movie. That'll become that picture. If I give you 0, sound is what? Z, means zoo. That is a picture for me. I'm converting this number into a picture. If I give you 0, 9, if I give you a number 0, 9, 0 is what? S. 9 is what? P. S and P will become what? Soap will become 0, 9. If I give you 100, what will become 100? 100 is what? 1 is D, 0 is S, 0 is S. So what I do? I make something called disease. I make something called disease will become 100 picture. Can you get this? Okay. If I give you number, okay, 55. 5 is L. 5 is L. L and L become Laila. One girl's name Laila. I'm converting this number into a picture. Are you understanding this? Like this, we convert a number into picture. That's the reason. Are you understanding this? If you know this, what you can do, you can memorize any numbers. For example, I'm going to give you some numbers. Look at this. I will write you some numbers. Okay. Let us check this. Okay. I'm going to give you some numbers. Okay. So I'm writing some numbers. Let us check. Okay. Right. I'm giving some numbers. Okay. I'm giving you some numbers. See, so many numbers are there. You need to remember. You remember the first session I tried to memorize these numbers? See, if you look at these numbers, you will be very surprised to see nobody can memorize these numbers. But if you look at them, what number is there? Look at this number. Now, what number is there? 1 is there, 2 is there, okay, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, and then number 6 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, and then 9 is there, and then 0 is there. Understand this? You only find numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Correct? So what we're going to do, every digit, you know the sound. So what you should do, you have to memorize these numbers. When I tell you these numbers, brain is not able to imagine any picture. You want to remember, you have to convert them into pictures. How you do? We are going to substitute every digit with the sound. For example, look at this, 9 and 9, B and B. What I make something called Baba. Okay, right? 4 is R, 9 is P. R and P will come. I need to make a picture. I'm going to fill some ovals here and make something called rope. 7 is K, 4 is R. K and R will become what? Car. I'm making a picture. 3 is what? M. 2 is what? N. M and L become what? Moon. 0 is what? S. 8 is what? F. S and F will become sofa. 1 is T. 8 is V. TV. Okay. 2 is what? N. 8 is what? F. N and F will become what? Knife. Okay. 5 is what? L. 5 is what? L. L and L become what? Laila. Okay. 8 is what? Okay. F. 4 is what? R. F and R will become what? Fire. 9 is what? B. 4 is what? R. B and R will become bar. 7 is what? K. 9 is what? P. K and L become cap. 9 is what? P. 3 is what? M. PM is Prime Minister. 6 is what? J. 5 is what? L. J and L become jail. 1 is what? D. 1 is what? D. D and L will become dad, your father. 6 will become J. 9 is what? Become P. J and will become Jeep. 7 is what? K. 7 is K. K and K will become cake. Now, my first question is, have you understood as to how am I converting these numbers into pictures? Have you got this? Answer? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
If you look at the numbers, they're all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. They are coming again and again. One is coming front, one is coming behind. Every digit you know the sound. You are substituting with the sound. Then you are filling ovals and trying to make a picture. Once you make the picture, now how to remember all of them? Then you know the story method, right? First day you learned visualization method, right? You know the story method and you can simply make a story and remember. Let's look at this, how you can make a story. You're already good at making a story. One Baba, he wanted to buy one rope. Imagine, he was going by a car. Driving, he went all the way to moon. Got tired, he was sitting on a sofa. And sitting on a sofa, he started watching television. And when he switched on the television, holding one knife, one girl, okay, Laila, she came out. And she killed him. And then she burnt him with a big fire. Okay. Then she went running to the bar. Okay. And after drinking, she put one cap. She was walking. And Prime Minister, okay, imagine Prime Minister of the country, he caught that girl, put her in a big jail. Your dad went, put that girl in a jeep. And then both of them, they came home and cutting the cake and they had all, both of them are dancing. That's a story for me. Okay. So Baba want to buy a rope. He got into a car, went to moon, sitting on the sofa, TV on, holding one knife. Laila came out. She put some fire. And then she went to bar, putting one cap on head. And she was walking outside. Prime Minister caught her and put her in the jail. And then your dad went to jail in a jeep and brought her in a cake. So look at how many words are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now my first question is, now do you know the story? Let us check this. Okay. Do you know the story? Baba want to buy a rope. He was in a car, went to moon, sitting on the sofa, television on, holding knife. Laila came out. She put some fire, went to bar, put on a cap. Prime Minister caught her, put her in the jail. Dad went, brought her in jail of jeep. Both of them are cutting the cake. Have you got these pictures? 16 pictures. Are they there, the story in the brain? This you already learned in the first class. Remember? First Sunday. If you know this, now what I do, I need to remember these numbers. How will I do? Let's check this. Okay. See now, if you know the story, now what I will do, now I'm going to do this. Okay. Baba, okay, he got into a car, went to the moon, and then sitting on the sofa, TV on, knife holding. Okay, Laila came out, and then she put some fire, went to bar, and then put one cap. Prime Minister put her in the jail. Dad went by a jeep and then came home and cutting the cake. You know the story, right? So now once you know the story, you need to tell the numbers. What you should do? Now Baba, 9, 9, car, 7, Ra 4, moon, Ma 3, Na 2, Sa 0, Fa 8, TV, Ta 1, Wa 8, knife, Na 2, Fa 8, Laila, La 5, La 5, okay, fire, Fa 8, okay, Ra 4, bar, Ba 9, Ra 4, cap, Ka 7, Pa 9, PM, P 9, Ma 3, jail, Ja 6, La 5, dad, D1, D1, jeep, Ja 6, Pa 9, cake 7 and 7. Okay, you got all the numbers. Is that okay? Now, when you want to do, what you should do, don't tell the pictures. Now you see, I'm going to do one magic now. I'm going to tell the pictures in my brain, only numbers I will tell you. How I'm going to tell you? Baba, 99, car, 74, moon, 32, sofa, okay, 08, TV, 18, okay, knife, 28, Laila, 55, fire, 84, bar, okay, 94, cap, 79, PM, okay, 93, jail, 65, dad, 11, jeep, 69, and then now last one is what? Cake, 77, okay, I'm writing this, okay. Huh?
Rope, you are missing a rope. That's what.
Baba, rope, yeah, 49, yes, 49, yeah. Baba went by a rope, went to buy a rope, okay. So Baba, rope, car, moon, sofa, all of them are there. Now I need to tell the numbers. What I'm going to do, I'm going to tell the story in my brain. I'll tell the numbers outside, okay. See, I would tell the numbers 9949 and then 74 32 08 18 28 55 84 94 79 93 65 11 69 77. I got all the numbers correct. Yes or no? So the other day, what I was doing is I was trying to do only this numbers technique. You understand this? I was only doing these numbers. I was converting the numbers. Now you'll ask me, sir, how easy it will become? Don't you think it's so tough to convert the numbers into pictures, pictures into story, story back into picture, picture back in number? Yes. Any skill we learn in 4 stages. Stage 1, you don't know. that you don't know. Stage 2, you know that you don't know. Stage 3, you know that you know. Stage 4, you don't know that you know. Understood this? When you are a small baby, you didn't know that you know how to, you don't know that you don't know how to ride a bicycle because you have not seen. Next, you saw a bicycle and you know that you don't know bicycle. When you are learning, you know that you know. Very consciously, you'll be riding the bicycle. A day would come, you don't know that you are actually riding a bicycle. You don't know that you know. Any skill will come with practice. If you can do 1 week to 10 days practice, and I'm telling all of you, okay, I will share my workbook with me. See, I've written a lot of books on memory. I've written 12 books, okay? One book is Train Your Brain. Second book is The Ultimate Guide to Master Memory. You can go to Amazon, you can buy. I have written a book on speed reading. I have written 8 motivational books. I'll send you this booklet, e-book to Venkat sir. He'll share that book with you. All works, whatever I've taught you, every exercise is there. You just practice. Any question? Take one picture, send me WhatsApp, and I'm there. Okay, even today gets over, don't get worried. Now, if you know this, what will happen? If you can practice 20 to 30 numbers every day, if you can memorize, this will work as a beautiful brain gym exercise. Like you go for walking, you go for jogging, you go and play some sport, you go to the gym, you're on the treadmill, right? You're playing some badminton, shuttle, or tennis. You go for swimming like this, beautiful brain gym exercise. You will have super concentration, 20 numbers. And if you can remember up to 50 to 100 numbers, I can tell you on 31st October this year, we have the Indian National Online Memory Championship. Though you left India, not you, your parents must have left, and most of you are born in America. You are, in US, but you can take part in the Indian Memory Championship. You don't have to come here. Don't worry. Sitting right in your house, you can be in front of the laptop, desktop, internet connection. I'll give you the link, and 2 hours you can take up the competition. You can become Indian Memory Champion. Imagine one student from US, you becoming Indian Memory Champion. And from there, I'll make you to become US Memory Champion. Every TV channel, every newspaper, you'll be a star. So far, no one has ever won in US Memory Championship from you people. Okay, you're only winning a spell bee contest. You can do this also. This is a beautiful exercise. Okay, if you want to register for this, okay, Venkat sir is the person who will be helping you to register for the Memory Championship. You can take part. Okay, and I will take you to represent the US at the World Memory Platform, where you can become World Memory Champion. You can win lot of money, name and fame, a crown which no one had won, is equal to physical Olympics. Today Olympics came to an end in Japan. It's a mental Olympics if you go and win a medal at the Olympics. Okay, so all of you children, you can take part. Your mom, your dad, anyone can take part. There's no age limit here. Small children, juniors, adult, anyone can take part. Understand this? Using this, you can also apply this method for memorizing any constants. Okay, any data you can remember. How? Let me explain this to you. For example, I'll give you one example. Now, Mount Everest is there. Any idea what's the height of Mount Everest? Any idea? 8848 meters. How you remember? Don't know. From now, what you should do? You should convert this into a picture. You have your debit card number, credit card number, you have ATM PIN number, you have your passport number, your house number, any number, your dad's mobile number. 8 is F, 8 is F. F and F, I make something called FIFA, Federation of International Football Association. 4 is what? R. 8 is what? F. R and F will become roof. So FIFA, rooftop. Imagine people who are climbing the Mount Everest, they're taking one football to play on the rooftop. Imagine, you will not forget this at all. For example, lead is there. Melting temperature is 3 to 7 degrees centigrade. Have you remember? 3 is M, 2 is N, 7 is K, M and K. What I make something called monkey. Imagine one monkey is, biting the lead and spitting, and it's getting melted. Lead and monkey, small association. If I give you silver, the melting temperature of silver is what? 1950 degrees centigrade. 1 is what? T, 9 is what? B, 5 is what? L, 0 S. Only these 10 numbers and sounds you should know. T, B, L, S, what you can make? We can make something called what? Tables. Okay. Dad has got so much money, is melting silver to make dining tables in the house. Imagine if I give you iron, the melting temperature of iron is 35 degrees centigrade. I should remember. 1 is T, 5 is L. T and L, I make something called tall. 3 is what? M. 5 is what? L. M and L become what? Mall. So to make one tall shopping mall, you're melting iron. Okay. I just imagine like this. Anything you want to remember, it becomes easy. Number 1. Number 2, any years you can remember. Any years. For example, okay, you want to remember India's independence, you want to remember Ashoka Reddy Kalinga War, when, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal, when America, got independence, right? Anything you want to remember. I need to remember 1776, okay? So 4th of July, I need to remember. This 17, I know. 7 is what? K. 6 is what? H. So K and H means what? Cash, okay? So when America, few states, they came together and formed USA in the year 1776. They had lot of cash. They want to make lot of cash. Cash, Ka, 7, Shah 6, which 776? 1776. And 4th of July, that in any case, okay. So automatically you'll understand this, okay. So like this, you can remember any years, historical timelines years, you can remember like this, okay. So if I give you any year, it will become so easy for you, okay. Are you getting this here? This thing anywhere. History book, no, years you have to remember, it becomes very easy for you. Have you got this idea? So you will ask me, sir, but don't you think it will time consuming to convert a number into a picture? What we do, we have something called peg word. Peg word means if you look at any number from 00 up to 100, numbers are there. For every number, when you are free, make one picture and then repeat those pictures once, twice, thrice. And the moment you see a number, you don't have to write the sound, you don't have to write the word. Automatically picture will come. See, I have done this. 1 day, 2 ni, 3 ma, 4 roi, 5 la, 6 ja, 7 ki, 8 fi, 9 b, 10 dosa, 11 dad, 12 dawn, 13 dam, 14 door, 15 dawn, 16 dish, 17 duck, 18 deaf, 19 deep, 20 nose, 21 net, 22 none, 23 neem, 24 Nehru, 25 nail, 26 notch, 27 neck, 28 knife, 29 nip, 30 right mouse. Like this, what I have done up to 100, I made pictures and I repeated them. All of them are there in the brain. So 99, I don't write B and B Baba. The moment I see the number, picture will come. So I cut down the time. It becomes very fast. Learning to ride a bicycle, time consuming. Once you learn, lifelong you are going to be ahead of people who are going to walk. Understood this? Now more such exercises. I'm going to share the ebook with Venkat sir. He will post that ebook in the group, Super Brain US group. You can download the book. If you have any more question, you can mail me. Understood? Got this idea? So you'll be able to memorize these numbers, 20, 30 numbers. You can do amazing performance in a school. You can be on the television. And if you can be with me for 3-4 days, if you can find some time, you give me, I'll give you personal coaching as well. Okay. How to do this further. Okay. Because so many people are there. We have limited time. I shown you the way. You apply the brain. You go through my book. My videos are there on the YouTube as well. You check. Squadron leader Jessima, check. You will get everything. Still problem. Just message me. Sir, I need your help. Next minute, I'll be available now to help you. Is that okay, children? Now, if that's okay, now I'm going to teach you one beautiful method right now for you. This method, okay, very beautiful method, which you will really love this method, which I have not taught you. Okay. What is this method? Look at this. Okay. This method. Okay. Now, how do we remember states of USA? There's one method called journey method. What method is this? Journey method. We call in India as a journey method. From your bedroom to the school, you're making some journey, and the way you find some milestones, landmarks, you're going to make a note of those landmarks. That's called journey method in India. If you come to UK, England, they call it as a memory palace method, because England people, they live in big palaces. Queen Elizabeth, right? Buckingham Palace, they call memory palace method. In US, they call it as a LOCE method. They also call it as a location method in US. Okay. So don't get confused. Same thing, USA, they call LOCE method, location method. In China, they call as a road method. Okay. They call by different names, but the method is same. Now I'm going to share, look at the 50 locations now. All of you, look at the screen carefully. Right now, imagine you are sleeping on the bed. You want to go to your classroom. Is it okay? See, first thing, you are sleeping on the bed. Can you imagine? Done. From bed, you got up, went to washroom, had a bath. Then after having bath, then you open the cupboard to put on your dress, uniform. Thereafter, you're combing your hair in front of the dressing table. Okay. After dressing table, you're coming down the steps. Imagine your house, the duplex house, you're coming down the staircase. Then you went to prayer room. I don't know whether you're Hindu, Christian, Muslim, I don't know. You're praying in the prayer room. Okay. Whoever the God that you believe in, Rama, Krishna, or, Shiva, Brahma, Jesus, I don't know whom you believe in. Okay. Prayer room. After praying, then you open the refrigerator. Okay. Then you took out the milk packet because you want to drink some milk. Then you kept that milk packet on the gas burner to heat. Thereafter, you went to water purifier and taking some water to drink. After drinking water, keeping the glass in the kitchen sink. Okay. After kitchen sink, now you're sitting on the kitchen platform, watching the milk to boil. Okay. Thereafter, then you are toasting the bread toaster, toasting the bread. Thereafter, you sat at the dining table, you ate your breakfast and drank the milk. Then there's one more bedroom below, another bedroom where your grandma is sleeping. So you're peeping who grandma is still sleeping or not. From there, you came and sat on the sofa. And then in front of the sofa, there's one teapot. Okay. You stretch your legs and kept on the teapot. Then you're watching the television. Okay. You're watching the television. Understood? Up till here. Okay. Now rest I'll tell you up till here. See, you're sleeping on the bed. You went to washroom, had bath, opened the cupboard, put on a dress, dressing table, put some makeup and combed hair. You came down the steps, staircase, opened the refrigerator, took out the milk packet, kept on the gas burner. Now open the water purifier. After the purifier, then what did you do? Then put the glass in the kitchen sink. Then sat on the kitchen platform. Bread toasting you did. After that, you went to the other bedroom. Okay, you saw your grandma sleeping. You sat on the sofa, stretching legs on the teapot, then switch on the television. Up till here, okay? All of them are okay? Done? Done? Now let me share with you further. After watching television, what did you do? Okay, let us check this. Okay. Only this much we'll do. We'll take a small break after that. Okay. After watching television, you took out your school bag from the shelf. Then you went to shoe stand, put on your shoes. Then you're stepping on the doormat, foot mat. Then you opened the main door. After main door, then you came to the car garage where the car is parked. Then you sat in the car. Look at this beautiful car. You started driving through your neighborhood houses. Okay, you're driving there. After driving neighborhood houses, you came across one electric substation. Look at this. You passed by the electric substation. Then you saw one children park. Some kids are playing there. You passed by. Then there's one big shopping mall. You went by shopping mall. Then you came onto the main road. Once you came onto the main road, okay, then you saw now speed breakers are there. You cross a speed breaker, then you went over a flyover, okay, flyover. Then you came down, there's a vegetable market. After vegetable market, the next one is what? A church, okay, the church. Then the moment you cross it, there's one traffic signal. So far, so good. Let us check this, okay. Now let us come up to traffic signal, okay. You're sleeping on the bed, washroom, cupboard, dressing table, staircase, prayer room, refrigerator, milk packet, gas burner, water purifier, kitchen sink, kitchen platform, bread toaster, dining table, another bedroom, sofa, teapot, television, shelf, and then shoe stand, foot mat, okay, and then main door, car garage, inside the car, neighborhood houses. Thereafter, you went to electric substation, then children park, shopping mall, main road, and then speed breaker, and then flyover. Then you came across one vegetable market, church, and then traffic signal. So far, so good. Is okay. Then afterward, what did you do? What did you see? Let me just tell you what after that. What did you see? After traffic signal, the next one is what? You came across one bank. Okay. You saw the bank. Next to that is a police station. You saw one police station there. You passed by. There's one gas station. Okay. After that, you saw your school building, school hoarding there, big school hoarding. You went past school hoarding. There's a security, school security. They check your school security, and then you parked your car park in the school. After parking parking the car in the school parking ground. Then you went to sports ground. You played for some time. Then you came to the assembly. Morning, everybody assembly done. Then you came to the school main building. After main building, you're walking up the steps to go up. Then you came across the school reception. After the reception, you saw the principal's cabin. Then after you went to washroom, you used yourself. Then you came to classroom entrance door. Then you kept your bag on the school desk. Then you're watching the projector screen. Okay. Your ma'am is explaining something. You saw the projector screen. So these are the 50 locations. Now look at me. Now how I'm going to do? Imagine now. Close your eyes and listen to me carefully now. Okay. Right. Sleeping on the bed. Went to washroom. Opened the cupboard. Now dressing table. Came down the staircase. Prayer room. Refrigerator. And then milk packet. Gas burner. Water purifier. Done. Kitchen sink. Then kitchen platform. Bread toaster, dining table, then under bedroom, sofa, teapot, television, and then shelf. Then your shoe stand, foot mat, main door, car garage, car, neighborhood houses, then electric substation, children park, thereafter shopping mall, main road, speed breaker, flyover, vegetable market, church, traffic signal. Then you saw one bank. After bank, next is police station, then gas station, a school hoarding. Then you saw the school security, car parking area in the school, sports ground. Then you came to assembly. After assembly, the school main building. You walking up the steps. Then you came to school reception. Then principal's cabin. And thereafter you went to washroom. Then you came to school, classroom door. Then you kept the bag on the desk, watching the screen. These are the 50 locations. Okay. Now I want to ask you, will you be able to tell me, they may be in the same sequence, they may not be in real life. I gave you some imaginary locations. What you should do, you should be able to tell me all the 50 locations first. These are every day. From morning, you get up from bed to go to school. No, these are the 50 locations you keep going through. Every day, going, coming, all of them in the same order. These are the fixed permanent milestones or locations that are there in the brain. Understood? Hello? Will you be able to tell me all the 50 locations? Can you try? Who can try? Same order. Yeah. Yes.
Bed.
Yes.
Washroom.
Yes.
Cupboard.
Yes.
Dressing table.
Correct.
Staircase.
Yes.
Refrigerator.
No. Prayer room.
Oh yeah. Prayer room.
Yes.
Refrigerator.
Yes.
Milk.
Yes.
Gas burner.
Yes.
Bread toast.
Oh no. Water purifier. Water.
Water purifier.
Yes. Kitchen sink. Yes.
Bread
Kitchen
toaster.
platform.
Oh,
Kitchen
platform.
Now.
Bread
Yes.
toaster.
Yes.
Dining table.
Yes.
Other bed.
Yes.
Sofa.
Very good.
Teapot.
Yes.
Television.
Yes.
Shelf.
Yes.
Shoe stand.
Yes.
Car garage.
No. Foot mat, doormat, foot mat.
Foot mat.
Yes.
Indoor.
Main door. Yes.
Car garage.
Yes.
Car.
Yes.
Neighborhood houses.
Very good.
Electric.
Substation. Yes.
Electric. Shopping mall.
No. Children park.
Oh yeah. Children park.
Yes.
Shopping mall.
Yes.
Sure.
No, main road.
Oh yeah, main road.
Yes.
Flyover.
Speed breaker. Speed breakers.
Breaker.
Flyover.
Over.
Yes.
Vegetable market.
Yes. Church.
Church.
Yes.
Traffic signal.
Yes.
Bank.
Yes.
Police station.
Very good.
Gas station.
Yes.
And then
Your school hoarding.
your school hoarding.
Yes.
School security.
Yes.
Car parking.
Yes.
Sports field.
Yes.
School
Assembly.
assembly.
Yes.
Steps. No, school building.
School building. Then
Steps.
steps. Yes.
And school reception.
Yes.
Principal's cabin.
Yes.
Washroom.
Yes.
Classroom entrance.
Yes.
Desk.
Yes. Last one.
Screen.
Wonderful. Give a big round of applause. Okay. You got all the 50 here right now. These are the landmarks right now. Okay. These are there. You keep, just memorizing all of them. And what we're going to do, we're going to do a beautiful magic now. And I'm going to take 1 minute break. Venkat sir is going to play a small video. We'll come back. And what magic we can do, we'll just show you. Okay. Just 2 minutes. Meanwhile, keep going through all the locations and they're going to play a small little video. 2 minutes. A promo video. Over to Venkat sir.
Yeah, Ravi garu, please play in the video. రావడం లేదండి.
Bharti. I am a. Hello everyone. My name is Bharti. I am a realtor. I have a passion for real estate and determined to provide the best services for my clients in all aspects. I work with the buyers and sellers at all price points in the Kansas City and Missouri area. I will work for you and with you to help you negotiate the best offers available. I believe I have the right skills, experience, and resources, but don't just take it from me. Hello, my name is Bharti Reddy. I am ready to be your real estate agent.
ఒక 2 minutes అండి. భారతి రెడ్డి గారు.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Good morning. Good morning. Voice is not there. Venkat garu voice.
Yeah, okay.
Mute.
Yeah. Now we can hear you.
బాగున్నారండి.
Bonam
నా పేరు భారతి.
Yes, ma'am.
చాలా బాగుందండి మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్, హైలైట్ అండి.
Thank you so much.
అయితే నా గురించి చెప్తాను, ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి. నేను భారతిని, నేను రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ ఏజెంట్ ఇన్ కాన్సస్ సిటీ అండ్ మిజోరీ అండి. అంటే ఎనీబడి నీడ్ ఎనీ హెల్ప్ రిగార్డింగ్ ద రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ అండి నాకు కాల్ చేసి అడగొచ్చు ఎనీవేర్ ఇన్ యుఎస్ అండి. థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. బట్ మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అవసరం అండి. జయసింహ గారు, మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అవసరం అండి. మీరు అక్టోబర్లో ఆ మెమరీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అన్నది ఇక్కడ మా కిడ్స్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూస్తున్నారు కదా, ఎవరన్నా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే నిజంగా పేరు తీసుకొచ్చేటట్టు వాళ్ళని ట్రైన్ చేయండి. We want to see our kid in US level.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయితే చాలా బాగుంది. వెంకట మంత్రి గారిని అడుగుదాము, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి తీసుకొని రమ్మని. రవి గారిని కూడా అడుగుతానండి. బట్ బాగుందండి మీ ప్రోగ్రాము. ఇట్స్ నైస్ టు నో యూ. ఐ డోంట్ నో యూ ఆర్ దేర్ విత్ దిస్ మెమరీ.
Thank you, ma'am. Today only I have taken your number from Venkat sir. I will message you, ma'am.
Okay. Thanks, Andy.
Because I became a fan. That's why I asked him.
నేను మీ ఫ్యాన్ అండి బాబు.
I've taken your number. Ask Venkat sir. I asked him. Give.
లేదండి, నేను మీ ఫ్యాన్ అసలు అయితే చెప్పాలంటే. అది ఓకే అండి. మళ్ళీ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్. హోప్ వి విల్ సీ యూ అగైన్.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Andy. Yeah, please continue, sir.
Yes. No, children, now what we are going to do, all of you are comfortable with the 50 locations now. These are the milestones. See, they're all imaginative because I don't know where you live, how do you go to school, what locations, they may be in the same order, they may be, different order. I really don't know. I imagined and I've written those locations. So what you should do right now, for the sake of memorizing, use the same locations. But when you come for the memory championship, when you want to remember lot of data, you want to become, a big scientist, you have to write original locations. How? I will help you little later. Now, what we're going to do, how we can remember 50 states of USA. Now, who can tell me 50 states without seeing? Can anyone tell me all the 50 states without remembering anything? Very difficult, right? India as of now has got 28 states. Very difficult for us. Now 50 states, how to remember? I can teach anybody across the world how to remember is 50 states of India, right? Now 50 states of USA. Look at this. Now, these are the 50 states. Who is going to read these states for me?
Me.
Yeah.
I can.
Yeah, you can read this. Read.
Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Wyoming.
Wyoming, okay. So many states are there, 50 states are there. See, when you tell this state's name, I'm not able to imagine anything. So what I'm going to do, see, when you ask me this picture, you ask me Alabama, I don't know how does Alabama looks. Alaska, I don't know. Arizona, I don't know. Arkansas, I don't know. California, I don't know. Colorado, I don't know. Connecticut, I don't know. Delaware, I don't know. Florida, I don't know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert these states, okay, into something that I can imagine. So what I'm going to do, look at this. Now, 50 locations. Each location, imagine one picture. Now, pay attention, all of you children, okay. On bed, when you got up, you found lot of albums, photo albums, you found all of them on the bed. Imagine you are sleeping and a pile of albums are, thrown at you, okay. Albums are there. Can you imagine this picture? Now come to, washroom. You went to toilet, you want to have bath, but alas, there's no water. So you're telling, Ma, there's no water, okay. Water, absolutely water is not coming. Alas, water is not coming. So I want you to associate that in the washroom, you're expressing grief that alas, okay, means grief, no water. And then when it comes to cupboard, horizon. So imagine there's a small little hole and you can see a big horizon on the top, okay, for in the cupboard, okay, just imagine this. And this dressing table, there's in the form of an arc, arc, okay, is form of an arc, okay, this dressing table is the form of arc. And come to staircase, and when you're walking down, so you are simply singing one rhyme, call for people, call for people, call for people, call for people, call for people. So call for people, like this you are now singing a rhyme and coming down here, imagine. And when you came to the prayer room, when you opened, it's totally full of color, colorful. It's totally looking very colorful. So you put some, instant sticks there, you put some deep there, and colorful the prayer room is looking. Come to refrigerator, and the connection got cut. Imagine the electricity connection is got cut. The connection got cut, and the refrigerator still is not working. The connection got cut. Imagine this. Okay. Come to milk packet, and this milk packet has come from Delhi. So people in Delhi, so what they do, the Delhi beer. Okay. So this has come from Delhi, the capital of India. So this milk packet, that milk that you're drinking, so this cover has come from Delhi people who are wearing this kind of a plastic cover. Imagine this Delhi wear. Now come to the gas burner. Your mother kept the gas burner on the floor. Imagine she is kept on the floor. Can you imagine this? Come to water purifier. George Bush, the former US president, is giving you water from the water purifier. So George Bush is standing. Whoever goes is supplying water to all the children. Imagine. And in the kitchen sink, when you open this tap, it's of water, hawa. In Hindi, hawa means what? Air. So only air is coming. Hawa, hawa. Hawa means, just imagine one Hindi word. Hawa means air is coming. Just imagine hawa means air is coming from the kitchen tap. Okay. Now come to, kitchen platform. You kept a lot of idlis. All Indian children, you eat idlis, no? Idlis are kept on the kitchen platform, sitting there and eating, idlis. Bread toaster, and the moment you ate those bread toast, now anybody who's eating the bread toast from the bread toaster is becoming ill, means he's becoming sick. Imagine, okay, he's becoming sick, he's becoming ill. Maybe the toast has got some problem, maybe it is a expired date, and people are becoming sick. Now, dining table, look at the dining table. It's looking so beautiful. From where do you think dad has bought this? It has imported this dining table from India. Look at this. It has come from India. Dining table has come from India. And then here in the bedroom, your grandmother is still sleeping. Okay, you're telling, are your grandma still sleeping or what? See, we in South India, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu children, we always say, ayo, that means what? Are your grandma still sleeping? Get up, get up, get up. You are telling to your grandmother, ayo. Now come to your sofa set. Lot of, Pepsi, Coke cans are lying on the sofa. Cans, okay? Imagine cans are lying on the sofa. And on the teapot, KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. So that is kept there on this table, okay? Teapot to eat, okay? Your ma kept KFC there on this, okay? And come to television. Television, now this which is tied to that wall has become loose. Imagine, loose means becoming loose. So TV is falling down. Again, you are putting it, again it is becoming loose. Again, putting it, again becoming loose. So television has become very, very loose. Imagine this picture. Now come to, shelf, your main, okay? Now the shelf, your main, school bag, you are picking up your main school bag. You have two school bags. One is main, next is secondary. So your main school bag, you're picking up from the shelf. Come to foot mat. Okay. You are wearing shoes and going to marry. Okay. On the land. You want to marry someone. You're walking on the land. So you want to go and marry someone. For that, you need to walk on the land. For that, you're putting the shoe and going to marry on the land. Now come to foot mat. Mass shoes. Okay. Now your foot have got a lot of mass, dust and dirt. You're choosing to leave this mass on the foot mat. Imagine mass you choose to leave on the foot mat. Imagine. Come to main door. Michael. Imagine Michael Jackson holding one gun and standing and opening the door for you. Michael holding one gun, Michael Jackson holding one gun on the main door. Come to, kitchen, car garage, mini soda, small soda bottles are here, small soda, okay? Bottles are kept, mini soda bottles are kept at the entrance of the car garage. Imagine in the car, your teacher, she's sitting and she's sipping some, coffee or tea. Miss is sipping and driving this car. Imagine, okay? Just imagine that. And now up till here, let's check this. So many pictures. How we got those pictures? Let's check now. Okay. First of all, on the bed, you are seeing a lot of albums. You went to washroom, you are telling, alas, there's no water. Cupboard, you saw one nice, beautiful horizon. And dressing table, there's one arc. Walking down the staircase, call four people, you are telling. Came to prayer room, very colorful. Refrigerator is not working because the connection got cut. Milk packet was made in Delhi wear. Gas burner kept it on the floor. Water purifier, George Bush is giving water. Kitchen sink, open the tap, Hawa is coming. Kitchen platform, idli is kept there, eating there. And bread toaster, the moment you eat the bread, you are becoming ill, you are becoming sick. Dining table has come from India. Another bedroom, grandmother still sleeping or saying, Ayo, you came to sofa, Coke cans are lying there. Teapot, KFC, some chicken, Kentucky Fried Chicken is lying on the teapot. And television is becoming loose, falling, again putting loose and falling. Now come to shelf, you've taken the school main school bag and shoe stand, you want to putting the shoe, you want to get married, so you're walking on the land and going. Now come to foot mat. You're choosing to leave the mass, choosing to live on the foot mat. Opening the door, Michael Jackson holding one big gun. You come to car garage, mini soda bottles are there. And in the car, your miss is sipping the tea and going. Okay, up till here, okay? Come to your neighborhood houses. So what is happening there? Let us check this. One thing you see there. Neighborhood houses, okay? All of them are in misery. You know misery? Okay. Misery, okay? Misery means what? Okay, you see this, okay? Misery means what? Not MY, okay? Misery, okay? People are, feeling very bad that you have a big house and all of them are living in misery. Imagine, okay? Misery means they're all feeling very bad that they're not able to get work, they're not able to make money, they're not able to go to office because of COVID. They're all in misery, living in poverty. Imagine. Come to, electric substation. It is located, situated on top of a mountain. Imagine, mountain top, you can see electric substation. Come to children park. When they're sliding, new brakes are put there. New brakes. Brake means to stop the speed. New brakes are put there so that you don't slide. Okay. New brakes are put there. Just imagine there. Okay. Come to shopping mall. New vada. Idli and vada. In the shopping mall, they are selling all new vada. They are selling new vada. Okay. Now come to main road. New hump. Main road. Lot of humps are there. Up and down. Lot of ditches are there. New humps are there. Imagine. Come to speed breaker, new jersey. Jersey is something that they're wearing. The jersey is lying there on the speed breaker. Just imagine, new jersey. Now come to flyover, new mixer grinder, and everyone who is going over the flyover, somebody is giving them a new mixie. Anyone who is going by a car, they stop and they are gifted with a new mixie. Come to vegetable market and you are cutting the vegetable with a new fork. Fork. You are cutting the vegetable with a new fork or eating vegetable with a new fork. Now come to church. They're giving you some loan, car loan. For what? If you choose to go in the direction of north, they'll give you car loan, north car loan. Okay. So car loan in church, they're giving to go to north. Come to traffic signal, north duck. One duck is operating, showing you the way to go to the north. Okay. Up till here. Let's check all the pictures now. Let us check up till here. Okay. From beginning up till here. So bed, album, washroom, alas, cupboard, horizon, and then dressing table, arc, staircase, call for, prayer room, color, refrigerator connection got cut, milk packet, Delhi wear, gas burner, floor, water purifier, George Bush, kitchen sink, Hawa, kitchen platform, idli, bread toaster, right? Ill and dining table, India, other bedroom, IO, and then sofa, cans, teapot, KFC, television, loose, shelf, main, school bag, shoe stand, Mary on the land, foot mat, mask, shoes, main door, Michael holding one gun, car garage, mini soda bottles, car, inside the car, Miss is sipping the tea, and neighborhood houses, all of them are in misery. And then come to electric substation, top of the mountain, children park, new brakes are put there. And then come to shopping complex, new Voda, they are selling there. Came to the main road, new humps are there. Speed breaker, New Jersey, lying there. You went to flyover, they're giving new mixie. Vegetable market, you're eating with a new fork. Church you went, they're giving you car loan to go to north. You came to the traffic signal and one duck is showing you the way to go to north. Up till here, okay? Come to few more locations now. You will be able to do beautiful memory demonstration right now, okay? See, after that you came to bank. You're telling, oh, this is the bank where I can get money. Aha, oh, you're telling this. Oh, you're expressing, no? Expression of exclamation. Oh, bank. This is where I can take a lot of money. And come to police station. Police station is made with oak. Oak tree, they made a home, okay? All the thieves, criminals, they're, made to stay. Police station in a oak home, okay? The police station made of oak tree, that's a home for all the prisoners. Come to gas station, it is an orange in color. Gas station, orange in color. Come to, school holding. Children are holding one pen. Okay, all the children holding one pen and their pictures are there right now. Come to security. Now they are asking you to walk on the road. Security fellow is asking you to walk on the road. And when you come to car park, now they're also again giving loan to go to south. In church, they're giving car loan to go to north. In car parking area, they're giving car loan to go to south. And you came to sports ground. There's one duck here. This duck is telling you to go to south. Imagine one duck is playing and telling you to go to south. Come to, assembly. There they're playing. They're telling you how to win. US, okay, open tennis, championship. How to win tennis. They're playing. They're helping you to, imagine Andre Agassi, okay, right? So imagine Andre Agassi or John McEnroe, they're all telling you, lecturing you about tennis, how to play tennis, Wimbledon, how to win. You came to school building. On that school building, some text is written there, some school text, text, T-E-X-T, text is written there, school building. You came to steps, walking up steps, you are going on the top, okay? You go to the top, walking on the steps, okay? Just imagine this. Come to school reception, and this lady, now very pretty looking lady, sitting on a big mountain, imagine, very mountain, okay? Now this very receptionist, very mountain, she's sitting there. Come to principal cabin, Virgin Mary. She is the principal of your, school. Imagine Virgin Mary, principal school. Came to washing room and your shoes, whatever. No, there's a washing machine, your socks, shoes, all of them in the washroom. They kept on washing machine. Anything you can drop it there, and washing machine will actually wash it and give you. You came to, a school door, one Virgin, okay, one West Virgin, and now she's opening the door. Imagine. You came to school desk, okay? You have one cousin, very wise cousin, already sitting there next to you on the desk, wise cousin, okay? And then on the screen, she's writing something, and then you're thinking, why am I coming to school? Why am I coming, okay? Why am I coming to school, okay? And I don't understand anything. Why am I coming? So you are expressing this, okay? So these are the 50 pictures you need to connect with 50 locations, okay? Now, let me tell you all the 50 locations. You have to repeat all of them, okay, after this, okay? Bed, you saw album. Washroom, alas. Cupboard, horizon. Dressing table, arc. Staircase, call for. Prayer room, colorful. Refrigerator, connection cut. Milk packet, daily wear. Gas stove, floor. Water purifier, George Bush. Kitchen sink, Hawa. Kitchen platform, Idli. Bread toaster, Hill. Dining table, India. Another bedroom, IO. Sofa set, cans. Teapot, KFC. loose, shelf, main,
జాబ్ ఉంటాయి కదా అవన్నీ
foot stand, no, shoe stand, Maryland, okay, Maryland, okay, and then foot mat, mass shoes, main door, Michael gun, car garage, Minnesota, car, Mississippi the tea, neighborhood, they're all in misery, and then electric substation, top of the mountain, children park, right, new brakes, okay, and then shopping mall, new Wada, main door, main road, new hump, speed breaker, new Jersey, flyover, new Mixie, vegetable market, okay, new fork, church, north to go car loan, and traffic signal, north to go duck is showing you, bank, oh ho, police station, oak made out of home, okay, home is made out of oak, gas station, orange in color, and then school hoarding, pen, security, making you to walk on the road, car parking, south car loan, sports ground, south duck, school assembly, how to play tennis, school building, text, walking up the steps, you talk, come to the school reception, very mountain, principal, okay, right, Virgin Mary, and came to washroom, washing machine, you came to school, no, main school classroom door, West Virgin, and desk, your wife's cousin sitting, and then looking at the screen, why am I coming to school? I don't seem to understand anything now. These are the 50 words, okay? Right. Now my question is, I'm going to show you the 50 words. Look at them, okay? Now, who can tell me the 50 words in the same order? That's the question.
Me.
Okay. Okay. Who can tell me? You can tell me?
Me.
Okay. Now come. Yeah, tell me. From 1 to 50, all of them should be able to tell me.
First is album.
Yes.
Second is alas.
Yes.
The third one is Arizona. Horizon.
Yes. Yes.
Arkansas.
Yes.
California.
Okay. No, only tell me the word. After that, you can tell the California. Call for. Only you connect only that much. Call for. Prayer room. Color. That's all you remember. Refrigerator connection got cut. Okay. Now, water milk packet is Delivia. Gas stove is Floor. And then water filter is George Bush. Kitchen sink is Hawa. And kitchen platform is Italy. And bread toaster is Ill. Dining table is India. Another bedroom is Ayo. Okay. And then sofa is Cans. Teapot, KFC. Television, Loose. Shelf, Maine. Shoe stand, Maryland. Foot mat, Massachusetts. Okay. Main door, Michael gun. Right. And then car garage, Minnesota. Car, Miss is sipping. And then neighborhood, misery. Electric substation, mountain. And then children park, new break. Shopping mall, new Wada. And then main road, new hump. Speed breaker, New Jersey. And flyover, new Mixie. And then this is vegetable market, new Fork. And then church is North Carlone. Traffic is North Duck. Bank is Oho. Police station, Oak Home. Gas station, Orange. And hoarding is Pen. Road security is Road. Parking area, South Carlone. And sports ground, South Duck. And assembly, Tennis. And main school building, Text. Going up, U-top. And now reception, Very Mountain. And principal cabin, Virgin Mary. Washroom, washing machine. West Virgin, okay, school, classroom door. And here wife's cousin. And why am I coming? Okay, got all of them. Now let me just tell you, now the thing is, 50 locations, 50 points. Okay. First one is bed. That is album. Which state is that?
Alabama.
Alabama. Okay. Now, if I say washroom, Alas miss?
Alaska.
Now, cupboard.
Alaska.
Horizon miss?
Arizona.
Arizona.
And if I say dressing table, arc miss?
Arkansas.
Arkansas.
And staircase. Sulfur, miss?
California.
Prayer room, color miss?
Colorado.
Colorado.
Right. Refrigerator connection can miss?
Connecticut.
Connecticut.
Now, milk packet, daily wear miss?
Delaware.
Delaware.
Now, gas stove, floor miss?
Florida.
Florida.
And come to George Bush water purifier.
Georgia.
Georgia.
Now, if I say kitchen sink, Hawa miss?
Hawaii.
Idli miss?
Idaho.
Idaho. Okay. Now come to milk bread toaster. Il miss what?
Illinois.
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 Dining table India miss?
Indiana.
Indiana.
And other bedroom Iowa miss?
Iowa.
Iowa.
Now come to sofa. Cans miss?
Kansas.
Now if I say teapot, KFC miss what?
Kentucky.
If I say television, loose miss what?
Louisiana.
If I say shelf, main means what?
Maine.
Maine.
And shoe stand, Maryland means what?
Maryland.
And if I say foot mat, Massachusetts means what?
Massachusetts.
If I say main door, Michael gun means what?
Michigan.
If I say car garage, Minnesota means what?
Minnesota.
Minnesota. Okay, if I say Miss is sipping the pie means what?
Mississippi.
If I say misery, neighborhood.
Missouri.
Missouri.
Sorry. Okay, if I tell mountain, okay.
Montana.
Montana.
If I say new break,
Nebraska.
Nebraska.
new vada.
Nevada.
If I say new hump,
New Hampshire.
New Jersey,
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
New Mexico.
new fork,
Stop.
New York. Okay.
New York.
North are loan.
North Carolina.
North Carolina.
North Carolina.
What?
North duck miss North
North
Dakota.
North Dakota.
North Dakota. North Dakota.
Ohio means what?
Ohio.
Ohio. Okay. If I say Oklahoma.
Oklahoma.
If I say orange.
Oregon.
Oregon.
Pen.
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
If I say road.
Rhode Island.
South car loan.
South
Carolina.
If I say south duck.
South Dakota.
Tennis.
Tennessee.
If I say text.
Texas.
Texas.
If I say Utah.
Utah.
Very mountain.
Vermont.
Virgin Mary means what?
Virginia.
If I tell washing machine.
Washroom.
If I say West Virgin means what?
West Virginia.
West Virginia.
Wisconsin. Vice cousin means Wisconsin.
Why-
Why am I coming is what?
Wyoming.
Wyoming.
All the 50 states right now. See, I don't live in US. I live in India. And today morning I made one small little thing, how I remembered all the 50. And some children who are living in this part of India in Hyderabad, they don't know what is, Atlanta. They don't know nothing they know. But by this, they can write 50 states of USA just like that. And if you can go through, you will not have any problem. And believe me, when you go back to school, tomorrow Monday, you can tell me, ma'am, I'll be able to tell you the names of 50 states of USA. And how? You know the 50 locations, okay? And the moment you say Alabama, Miss Albania, okay? Alabama. If I say Alaska, Miss Alaska. If I say Arizona, Miss Arizona. If I say Ark, Miss Arkansas. If I say California means California. Color means Colorado. If I say connection cut means Connecticut. If I say Delaware means Delaware. If I say floor means Florida. If I say George means Georgia means Georgia. If I say Hawaii means Hawaii. If I say Italy means Idaho. If I say Il means Illinois. And if I say India means Indiana. If I say Iowa means Ohio. Okay. Idaho. Okay. If I say Can means Kansas. If I say KFC means Kentucky. And if I say Louis means Louisiana. And then if I say Maine means Maine. If I say Maryland means Maryland. If I say Massachusetts. If I say Michael means Michigan. If I say Minnesota, Minnesota. If I say Mississippi, I can do Missouri. I know, right? And then I saw Montana. I know. And Nebraska. I know. And then Nevada. I know. New Hampshire. I know. New Jersey. I know. And then New Mexico. I know. And then New York. I know. And then North Carolina, North Duck. And then Ohio. And then I know Oklahoma. I know Oregon. Okay, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island. And then South Carolina, South Dakota. And then Tennessee, Texas, and then I know Utah. After that, Vermont, and Virginia. Okay, right after that, washing machine is Washington, and West Virgin, Wisconsin, Wisconsin, and then Wyoming. Okay, Wyoming. Okay, so I get all 50 states of USA. Can you do this? Hello, children. Will you be able to do this? Yes. Will you be able to demonstrate this 50 states to your mom and dad? When I go offline, half an hour time you take, will you be able to demonstrate, of telling 50 state names to your mom or dad? Will you be able to do that? You can do this. This is called what? Location method, journey method. Means in our day-to-day life, if you happen to see one spectacles, okay, lying on the television, and one mobile is lying on the teapot, you know which item is where. So what we do, we make 50 journey points like this, locations, okay. What you should do, you should have multiple locations. One from house to school, one from your house to going to a dad's office, from one house to going to shopping mall, one you want to go to a friend's house, what places that you saw, and you went for a holiday, to a beach, side. What all the places you saw, you make a note of them, all of them in the same order. And in each place, imagine with one little, picture. So you connect a picture with the location. So the next time you see the bed, you can see album. So Alabama. If I say washroom, water not coming. Alas, water is not coming. Why did I come to Alaska? If I say horizon is Arizona. If I say arc is Arkansas. If I say California means California. If I say red means what? Okay. Color means Colorado. Automatically, I know all of them. Are you understanding this? So I am able to get all the 50 states of USA by using this method. You can have multiple locations. Using this, you can become world memory champion also. Now, children, now I know that you have a lot of questions, lot of way to go. And what you do is that I also teach something on speed reading also. Okay. Speed reading means if you go to any country whose mother tongue is not English, for example, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, Germany, Russia, China, mother tongue is not English. If you look at the reading speed, the speed will be between 150 to 250 words per minute. But children who are English speaking, living in English speaking countries, the speed will be 600 words per minute. So if you want to become a leader, you want to become like JFK, John F. Kennedy, you want to become like a Barack Obama, who is a, great voracious reader. You want to read a lot of books, but you say, I don't have time. I will teach you a method, how you will be able to double your reading speed. If your speed is 300 words per minute, I can make it 600 words per minute, 4 or 5 sessions. And our NATS, okay, and our administrative EC team, they're going to plan one more session where I will teach you higher memory concepts. So you learn the basics. So you have laid a foundation. And once you have got a foundation, from here, next how to build walls, how to put the ceiling, how to put woodwork, how to decorate the house. The memory is a long drawn process. Like English, you learned in 5th class, 7th class, 10th class, 12th, you do in graduation. You can do a doctorate philosophy in English. Like that, memory is a big ocean. I will also tell you how you can double your reading speed. So if you can read speedily, you can understand, if you can retain and you can recall, you will be unbeatable combination. And today, 21st century, the whole world has become a global village. You compete not with your, friend in the classroom. The whole world has become a global village. You compete with somebody in China, somebody in India, somebody in UK, somebody in Germany, somebody in Russia. If you want to become a global citizen for the 21st century, you need to know those techniques. And I will take you through. You have problem with concentration. Okay, you want to become a memory champion. You want to remember whatever. If you say, no, I only want you to train me on spell bee. You taught us some techniques, but teach daily 200, 300 words. I'll be able to do that. Okay, now the thing is, we are there, committed. Okay, so you can do all this. Okay, and how you can do one after another. See, the thing is, you need to know what can be done, how it can be done, okay, how you can do one after another. You need to keep on doing and doing and doing and doing. Okay, see, this is my name. Okay, you people can type my name in Google. If you have got a mobile, take one picture, because today is the last session until I come back in the month of October. So meanwhile, you will have a lot of questions. This is +91 is the India's code. 98660189 is my WhatsApp number. You can call me, you can message me. Better you message on WhatsApp. jsimha.in is my website. visionj@gmail.com is my email ID. And you can be part of the Indian National Online Memory Championship 2021, 31st October, Sunday morning. You can take part in this competition. You can become Indian Memory Champion. Thereafter, in the month of November, we'll have the US Memory Championship. December, you are going to go to World Memory Championship. I'll train you. You require further training. So you contact me, you call me, you visit my website. You can learn many things till I come back to you. Okay. So these are my basic numbers. You can tell your mom and dad. You can take one picture with your mobile. You can do the one screenshot. Okay. Of this, you can save the screen. All right. You can save the screen. You can note down my email. You can go to Google, type my name, Jaysimha, Jayasимha. Jaysimha is more than enough. Okay, you type perfectly. Okay. Now, only one thing, last thing I want to tell you, children, that you're all lucky that your parents have gone sometime back to US and they are financially, also professionally, they are very sound. You have seen only good things in life, but you people should know who this guy is who trained you for last 5 weeks. I come from a small place called Nalgonda, very close to Hyderabad in India. Those of you know. If you don't know, your mom, dad might know. Small village. I have not gone to school till 12 years of my age. Such a poor family. I used to work with the terrorists for 5 years. I was in the police station. At the age of 12, I was put in the school. I don't know how to write Telugu letters. I don't know how to write ABC. Directly, I went to 7th class. I have 5 sisters, 1 brother. I never had 2 square meals a day till I was 17 years old. Such a poor family. Such a rural background of Telangana region of, India. 12 years, I went to school, 7th class. I was first in my school in 7th class within 6 months. 10th class, I was a topper in my district. Before I could finish my 12th, I was already into the Indian Air Force. I used to work on the helicopters. 17 years, could not speak one sentence in Hindi. One sentence in English, I could not speak. I became best in trade, best in education, best all-rounder. And I went on to become a commissioned officer. I went on to become an Air Force pilot. I stood first in the training. President R. Venkatraman, I won the Sword of Honor. I have today 8 PG qualifications. I've done my MSc Mathematics, MSc Applied Psychology, MSc in Counseling and Psychotherapy. I've done my MBA. I've done my MSc Defense Strategic Analysis. I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm a company secretary. I also done my BEd. I've done my law course as well. And I was a squadron leader. I have done my staff college course at Wellington. Top most Air Force officer from President Abdul Kalam. I won the best pilot award. I was in Sri Lanka war. Look at my hand. You can see a black mark. I used to fly helicopters when I was 20 years old. LTTE, we fought war. 1999, I was in the Kargil war. I got Chief of Air Staff Commendation. Squadron leader means equal to an army major. top of my life, I left my job to become a speaker, to become a trainer. I don't know how to hold a mic. I don't know how to give a speech. I used to fly aeroplane. I used to fight a war. I used to dance. I used to run around. From there, becoming a speaker. Total shift in my profession because I wanted to make a difference to this country, to all youngsters like all of you. Then I got into the field of memory. Look at me behind this, all this Guinness World Record. Can you see this? Look at this. Look, can you see the screen now? I'm the only Indian with maximum Guinness World Records in the whole world. You're not listening to an ordinary person. Before I'm teaching you, I experimented all those techniques on myself first. I'm the World Memory Council for India's president. I conduct memory championships. I go all around the world training people. Today, memory begins and ends with me. From Prime Minister to the Chief Minister, everyone knows me personally. Okay. And I have done so much. The reason why I'm telling all this is, if you want, anything is possible. Nothing is impossible. Impossible, the word only will be there in the dictionary, not the word. You have to decide, I want to do something big in life. And you are born with a silver spoon. You are in the wonderful land of opportunities. You have lovely parents. Everything you do. You want to tell yourself that I want to pass my exam. I want to get a job. I want to get married. I want to become old. I want to die. That anybody will do. Dogs will do. Cats will do. But we are human beings. You have unlimited potential. You say, I want to create history. I want to leave my footmarks on the sands of time. I want to bring big name to my parents. My school should be proud of me 10 years from now. I want a way. I want to invent some medicine for a disease. I want to become a Nobel Prize winner. I want to become one of the best Indian child ever in US living. I want to be that. If you have that dream, I will show you the way. My life is committed to training any number of hours. You want me to train 1 person, 10 people. You want to become a topmost in your school. You want to memorize academics. You want to be a spell bee contest winner. You want to become memory champion. You want to become a Guinness record holder. You want to become, Nobel Prize winner. Doesn't really matter. I have, a way. I will show you. So if you like what I'm teaching, what I taught, what I know, you can go and do Google survey, because you children, never you believe anything just like that. You go and check about me. Okay, with whom all I was there, where all I went, whom all I've trained, more than 3 lakh people, children, teachers I've trained. You want anything. You want to read so many books just like that. You tell me, I'm not able to concentrate. I'm confused about my life. I'm upset. You have a problem. We have a solution. Okay. So because I have spoken to a lot of children in India, it's a rare opportunity. I would like to thank, first of all, Venkat Mantri sir, first of all, from NATS, and also the chairman Sridhar Garu, and the president, Vijay Shekhar Garu, and also Ravi Gummadipudi, now NATS marketing, coordinator, and also KCTA head Sridevi madam, and also Bharati Reddy madam, who sponsored our program, and all the parents, every one of you. But for them, today I would have never had an opportunity to talk to all of you. So children, the whole world is waiting for you to succeed. You ask me how. I will be there one message away from, helping you. So if you want to just live and then grow, become old and die, then don't message me. But if you say, I want to create history, people should talk about me 50 years from now, then you message me. I'm there. So we have to put our hands together, thank the entire NATS executive body and entire NATS team, and every one of us. Okay, so bringing me to you, all of you. I feel so privileged. It is now night 11:15 right now in India. I'm so excited that I have spoken to all of you. But today, officially, we are calling it a comma to our program. But this doesn't end. You will have a lot of questions, doubts, lot of way you want to go forward. Message me. One WhatsApp message. Call me up. Talk to Venkat sir. You tell Jaisima sir, you want me to back again. Anytime I'll be away, one message away to help all of you. Okay. So hope all the children, the parents, you really enjoyed the entire 5 days of workshop. You have any problem, any doubt, see the video again. Still not clear, message me and I will come live and do. And tomorrow morning, I'll send the ebook to Venkat sir. He will share this book with you, ebook. So whatever I taught, everything is in the book. So read, see the video, And now do the exercises on that, okay? I want you people to demonstrate numbers in the school. 50 states of USA to your parents. Thereafter, you ask me, I want to memorize periodic table. I want to remember atomic element, number, okay? And then weight, anything you want. Whole Oxford dictionary, word meaning, I want to remember. Ask me a question. I am there to help you, okay? See, if I don't know, we shall find out. So children, did you really, like this workshop? Did you really enjoy being with me? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Well, thank you so
Yes.
much. And children, let us, let us put our hands together and thank the NATS team, the entire NATS team, give them one big applause, okay? And also one last person we need to thank, okay? So all of you keep the right hand forward. Right hand forward. Now turn the hand back and touch it and say, Shabash, well done, well done. Sunday morning, you children coming and listening to one Indian, okay? And a person like me speaks volumes about your commitment and your courage. And I love you so much.
Awesome.
People have a long way to go. That was my hand. Okay, anytime you miss me, you touch here and I'll be there next minute standing next to you. Okay, so thank you so much. Love you all. Over to Venkat sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Ravi Garu, can you please talk for a few minutes?
I want to say the alphabet backwards.
Okay, you want to say alphabet backward? Tell.
ZYXWVUTSRQPONMLKJIHGFEDCBA.
Super, well done. Okay, I'm going to give you a special gift tomorrow. I'll send it to Venkat sir. What's your name?
Yatanyani Shetty.
Okay, done. I'm going to send one more special book for you, which I've written that. I'll send it to Venkat sir. He'll share that book with you. Well done, beta. Proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Greetings to all. Jayasima Garu, on behalf of North America Telugu Society, entire Board of Trustees, Executive Committee, and NATS chapters across the country, and from entire NATS team from Kansas and KCTCA, kindly accept our in-depth gratitudes for all your wonderful service to the country and to the young children.
Thank you so much, sir.
And it's not just us who wants to thank you, but there are so many who have followed these workshops, wanted us to express their appreciation through us for your inspiring memory sessions from the past several weeks. Years of your research, your depth of knowledge of how the brain and mind work to memorize, and your ability to present this subject in such an interesting way definitely produced one of the most memorable events that we have presented. And we feel so pride and fortunate to be able to join hands with you, sir. And we look forward to join hands with you on future workshops, and kindly keep Kansas City and NATS in your roadmap for your future journey once the COVID pandemic subsides, and when you travel to US, we definitely would like to host you here on and to expand your outreach to the masses, to spread your love and your technology in the memory field. On this note, I would also like to thank each and every one of all the audience and all the students who have been part of these wonderful workshop sessions designed to help unleash the superpowers of brain through the Zoom sessions. On behalf of NATS and KCTCA, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all of our sponsors and all those who generously helped us to make this event come together to be a grand success. We couldn't have done without their help and support, and we sincerely thank all. Now, I would like to invite Srimati Sridevi Gobburi Garu to say a few words.
Thank you, Ravi. thank you, Venkat Garu, for bringing this workshop to us, and also thank you, Jayasimha Garu, for the most interesting, interactive, and inspiring workshop. I not only enjoyed the workshop, but I'm trying to practice it in day-to-day life. You know, as becoming old, we forget our memory, and this is the time to bring back and use our memory to remember things. So, and kids, um, I'm sure you will achieve peaks in your life if you all use these techniques and knowledge gained from these sessions. Okay, please use it in day-to-day lives also. On behalf of KCTC and NATS Kansas family, I once again thank you for teaching the memory techniques and life-changing, techniques for us. So we will remember your golden words are all the time. There is no such thing as good or bad memory. There is only trained memory or untrained memory. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Sridevi Garu. And now I would like to welcome Ram Samgangaru, to speak few words about the program and from the parents' point of view also.
Namaskaram andi.
Yeah, namaste, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Jayasimha Garu, squadron leader Jayasimha Garu, na పేరు రామచందర్ అండి. నేను ఇక్కడ క్యాన్సర్ వాస్తవ్యుడిని. మా నాట్స్ అండ్ క్యాన్సర్ సిటీ తెలంగాణ అసోసియేషన్ తల్లిదండ్రుల తరఫున ఒక 2 మాటలు మాట్లాడదలుచుకున్నా. మొట్టమొదటిగా చాలా చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు. మీలాంటి అద్భుతమైన వ్యక్తి మా అందరికి ఇట్లాంటి వర్క్ షాప్ ఇవ్వడము. సో మరొకసారి నాట్స్ సభ్యులందరికీ నా హార్దిక ధన్యవాదాలు, కృతజ్ఞతలు. మీ గురించి నేను ఇంటర్నెట్ లో చూసినా, లేకపోతే మా దూరపు బంధువులతో ఎవరితో మాట్లాడినా వాళ్ళలో కూడా చాలా మంది చెప్పారనమాట, మీరు ఆల్మోస్ట్ 6 బుక్స్ రాశారని. దీప అండ్ వేణు వింజమూరి గారు వాళ్ళు మిమ్మల్ని ఇన్ పర్సన్ కలిసాము హైదరాబాద్ లో. దే వర్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ ఇంప్రెస్డ్ అండ్ అగైన్ లైక్ ఐ సెడ్ వెరీ వెరీ రిలేటెడ్. మీరు ఈ 4 వారాల నుంచి మా కోసము, మీకు ఆల్మోస్ట్ అర్ధరాత్రి అవుతున్నా కానీ మా క్యాన్సర్స్ పిల్లలందరి కోసము అండ్ అన్ని ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ కోసము ఇదంతా చేయడము. సో హోప్ మీరు చెప్పిన ఈ నాలెడ్జ్ అంతా మేము ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఇప్పటి నుంచి ఉపయోగిస్తామని చాలా చాలా ఆకాంక్ష, ప్రగాఢ విశ్వాసము. అండ్ మరొకసారి మీ అందరికి ధన్యవాదాలు. మా తల్లిదండ్రులందరి తరఫున కూడా ఉంటానండి. మళ్ళీ అదృష్టం ఉంటే మిమ్మల్ని ఇన్ పర్సన్ కాకపోయినా కనీసం ఇట్లా జూమ్ లో అయినా మళ్ళీ వచ్చే సంవత్సరం కూడా కలుస్తానని ఆశిస్తున్నానండి. ధన్యవాదాలు. నమస్కారం.
Yeah, thank you, Andy, Ram Garu. Thank you for your kind words. Basically, now I would like to give a vote of thanks to everyone. Thank you, Jason, Squadron Leader Jason Garu, for all your kind words and all the techniques which you taught us. And now I would like to thank Sridhar Appasani Garu, NATS Board Chairman, Shekhar Anne Garu, NATS President Garu, and Madhu Korapati Garu, Murli Medchella Garu, Sudhir Mikkelneni Garu, and the most Ravi Gumadipudi Garu for all your support, and Ranjit Chaganti Garu, General Secretary, Jayashree Garu, Program Chair, and then Srinivas Malladi Garu, Zonal Vice President, Srinivas Kakuman Garu for your support in Facebook and other technical aspects. Srinivas Manchikellapudi Garu, BOD, Madan Pamalaparthi Garu, NATS Treasurer, and then entire NATS EC, Extended EC, Board, and NATS family and friends, and also Giri Chundur Garu, National Kansas Joint Coordinator, and Kiran Kanikadalla garu, KCTCA chairman, and Sridevi Sangam garu, KCTCA president, and then Gauri garu and Surya garu, vice president for KCTCA, and especially Prasad Iskapalli garu for all your efforts in bringing this program in all the weeks like before, and Srinivas Abburi garu, sorry, for your help, and also our NATS team, basically Bharti Reddy garu, and then Srinivas Dama garu, Madan Sane, Ravi Aisola, Raja, Gopalini, and Prakash Kutti and Subbu garu for all your support in presenting this, and Venkat Manda, KCTCA, sorry, KC Desi, and Ram Sangam garu for your kind words, and Uma Shankar Parsi garu for your help, and other, if I forgot, like please excuse me, and thank you everyone. Have a nice day.